Good morning and welcome back to EVS class of Chapter 19, A Seed Tells a Farmer's Story. We will do the second part today. Before we proceed to the core of the lesson, let us first try to know that there are two methods of farming, the old or traditional method and the new or the modern method. First, we will go to the traditional method or the old method. This is what you will get to see in the traditional one. In this method, farmers use bullocks to plough their fields. They used to keep few good seeds aside for the next year and do not buy the seeds from the market. They use canal water for irrigation. Now what is irrigation? Irrigation means watering the crops. Some farmers also draw water from the wells, as you can see here in this picture. They use natural fertilizers like the compost or cow dung. Let's now see what the modern or the new method of farming is. In this method, the farmers use modern technology in farming, as they use modern tools and tractors for plowing the fields instead of the bullocks. They use new seeds which they buy from the market, as they are told that these are good and high-yielding varieties. But these seeds are such that the crops are easily affected by harmful insects. They use chemical fertilizers like urea instead of cow dung or compost. They spray medicines for protecting their crops from the attack of insects and pests. These are called insecticides and pesticides, which kill the insects and pests respectively. The farmers use underground water for irrigation, as you can see in this slide. These are all examples of drip irrigation, irrigation with sprinklers, surface irrigation, etc. These are modern methods of irrigation that prevents wastage of water. The farmers have to buy water pumps that run by electricity and pumps out the underground water easily. Damji Bhai and his son Hasmukh used different methods of farming. Damji Bhai used the old method and Hasmukh used the modern method of farming. Although Damji Bhai didn't get enough money from his field, his crop was always healthy. Hasmukh grew only wheat and cotton, as wheat and cotton were fetching him more money and helped him get richer. Initially, Hasmukh was making profit from farming, but after 3-4 years, he was incurring losses. He faced some problems from his new and modern methods of farming with the changes and new technology. His field became barren after 3-4 years because he was growing cotton in the same field over and over again. The soil had lost its fertility. Without cows and buffaloes, there were no cow dung to use. Farmers had to buy expensive fertilizers. Medicines had to be sprayed on the crop to kill the insects and pests. The new kinds of seeds were such that the crops were easily affected by the harmful insects. He had bought pump for irrigation and tractor for plowing. These all led to Hasmukh's problems. He had to take loan from the bank. Hasmukh was often tense and angry most of the time. His educated son Paresh did not want to do farming. He chose to become a truck driver. As they still had to repay the bank loans, he wanted to earn enough money. Often he didn't come home for days and would stay away for weeks. One day he came home and looked for the same wooden box that belonged to Damji Bhai. He was planning to use the box to keep the screws and tools for his truck. So children, now you know why the Bajra seed hurried to tell you its story. Once the box is gone, he is also gone. Earlier, Bajra seeds were crushed in a mortar or okhli with a pestle or musli to separate the seeds. Now the same can be done by using a big machine. So children, technology doesn't mean big machines. It is the other name of making the work easier. Now let us know about some harvest festivals celebrated in our country. Poila Boishakh is celebrated in West Bengal, Bihu in Assam, Baisakhi and Lohri in Punjab. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Holi is celebrated all over India. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Makar Sankranti in West Bengal, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. That's all for today.